Good morning, and welcome to our video about 7 uncommon facts about coffee. As coffee lovers, we all know the delicious taste and the pick-me-up feeling that coffee gives us, but did you know that there are some surprising facts about coffee that you probably didn't know? Let's dive in. Fact number 1, coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world, after oil. Fact number 2, the world's oldest coffee plant is over 100 years old and can be found in the Royal Botanic Gardens in Kew, London. Fact number 3, the world's largest coffee producer is Brazil, followed by Vietnam and Colombia. Fact number 4, there are over 100 different chemical compounds that give coffee its unique flavor and aroma. Fact number 5, coffee beans are actually the seeds of a fruit, called a coffee cherry. Fact number 6, the caffeine in coffee can act as a natural pesticide, helping to protect the plant from insects. Fact number 7, the first known coffee plant was discovered in the highlands of Ethiopia, and it is believed that coffee was first consumed in the area over 1,000 years ago. Next time you enjoy your morning cup of joe, remember all the fascinating history and science behind it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and videos.